Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. How are you? I think that you are all doing fantastic. I am also fine. You can see the rice is getting golden color. That means it is the time of cutting paddy from the fields. The farmers will come here after few days. They will cut the paddy from this field and they will take all the rice from here and they will store it in their houses and they will use it for their own purposes. You can see over there. Can you see? Yes. Over there is a village. They come from there and they work here. All the fields are belong there. They try to produce everything here and they use this for their own purposes, and thus they are living nicely on the earth. Thank you guys. Once again I want to request you, if you think that this video is very important and also helping you to improve yourself, please try to subscribe my channel so that you can get my next video anytime within a short time. And also using this video, by observing this video, you can also learn how to speak in English. You can practice from here and this will help you to be fluent in speaking English. This is all for today. Thank you for everything.